Hello, I'm Faisal, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Virginia. Today, I'm going to show you how to manually install the AWS command line interface on an Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud Windows instance. So let's get started. As the first step, you must be sure that you meet the install and update requirements. The instance must have internet access using network address translation, NAT, instance, or an internet gateway. You have admin rights to install software. Note, we support the AWS CLI on Microsoft-supported versions of 64-bit Windows. To update your current installation of AWS CLI on Windows, download a new installer each time you update so that you override previous versions. AWS CLI is updated regularly. To see when the latest version was released, see the AWS CLI version 2 changelog on GitHub. Important: if you already installed AWS CLI version 1, then it's best practice to uninstall version 1 and use only AWS CLI version 2. Download and run the AWS CLI MSI installer for Windows 64-bit. Or you can run the MSI exec command to run the MSI installer. When the installation prompt window appears, read and accept the license agreement. Choose a location to install the app, choose Next, and then choose Install. To confirm the installation, open the Start menu, search for CMD to open Command Prompt, Windows, and at the Command Prompt, use the AWS -- version command to check the version. And now you know how to manually install the AWS CLI on an Amazon EC2 instance. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.